How to get rid of dry skin in hydration. Number 1. Hydrate. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your body and skin hydrated from the inside out. Number 2. Moisturize. Use a rich moisturizer or hydrating cream regularly, especially after bathing or showering when your skin is still damp. Look for products containing ingredients like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, shea butter, or ceramides, which help lock in moisture. Number 3. Exfoliate. Gentle exfoliation helps remove dead skin cells, allowing moisturizers to penetrate more effectively. However, be cautious not to over-exfoliate, as it can irritate dry skin. Choose a mild exfoliator suitable for your skin type, such as a gentle scrub or a chemical exfoliant containing alpha-hydroxy acids, AHAs, or beta-hydroxy acids, BHAs. Limit exfoliation to 1-2 times per week. Number 4. Avoid hot water. Hot water can strip the skin of its natural oils, exacerbating dryness. Opt for lukewarm water when showering or bathing and limit the time spent in the water. Subscribe and follow on other social media platforms.
Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.